This is Scott from My Life's Reward. Got a video here for you on an ATV trip, a very short one, about a half hour or so is all it really took. It's in the Kalkaska area, and I had a little bit of an accident with my quad. 4,000 miles on my quad. It is my first quad, but I do have 4,000 miles, been on all kinds of different trails, but what I did learn from this is it only takes a fraction of a second to not pay attention to something, and things just happen that quick. So it wasn't a big accident. It was just really flipping the quad on its side, on its left side, and it did some body damage. It cracked some plastic and a cover, and I have all the replacement parts now, and I'm going to go into the video with you a little bit more in detail on that. But I did sort of hyperextend my right leg at my hip joint just a bit. I did go to the emergency room, and I got a couple x-rays. Everything was okay. So it's just a little sore. But yeah, it makes you think a little bit about things, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm thinking about it, and when I get back on the trail again, I'm probably going to go slower, even though I was going maybe only 5 miles an hour. I wasn't going very fast because I had just stopped at a stop sign. But, you know, it just doesn't, when you're going downhill, and it doesn't take much. So anyway, well, you get to see my video. I'm not sure it's very enjoyable, but yeah, it is what it is. So I want to thank you for visiting the channel and checking out this video. Wow.
You okay?
I don't know what happened.
Did you get pulled that way?
I don't know. What
Got into
happened?
the side a little bit. I think you got up high.
Holy cow.
Are you all right? Are you hurt?
I hit that rock.
Are you all right?
I'm good. I'm good.
It's gonna be a little tricky to get this one up, right? I think you got up high and it cut in and then it did one of these.
Did your wheel turn right and then pull you?
I don't know. I don't. It's just like all of a sudden, bam. Happens that fast, guys.
Yeah. Shit happens. Okay. Well, hopefully you're.
All right. How do you want to do that? Okay.
Okay, careful, don't.
Get up there. I'll do this. You get up on the handlebars.
Oh, I don't want to pull on the
Can we
handlebars.
slide it down first?
Here. Dad, back up. You got hurt.
I got hurt?
Yes. It was just the nut moving.
I don't understand. It's just
you
like.
got up, see the track? You went up, got up.
Oh,
It
yeah.
hit the corn.
And then it dug in and it took them like this.
That happened quick.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. And then your other tire went down in the depth here.
Right, exactly. So you were way up and then the handlebar jugged, so you were on an angle and you did this and it just naturally. But, alright.
Okay, so do we need a winch? This thing's pretty heavy.
Right.
The upside is we turn off the engine.
If you could get it down, because you're pushing
Alright.
it uphill, if you
Here,
get
let
it
me
down
get it.
in the groove, Kyle,
Let me, yeah, I see what you're saying.
if we can get this back end down, but I can't move this myself.
Careful on that, by the way. I don't know how much.
Well, he's got to, yeah, like that. Yeah, there you go. And then push it up. Is it in neutral?
No.
Put it in neutral.
Throw it
We'll
in
push
neutral, Kyle,
backwards.
would you? Oh, yeah.
And then push it backwards or pull this front end out. What do we got going on here?
Okay. Now we can roll it forward, guys, can't we?
It's caught on a tree. Just a second.
Oh, okay.
Turn the wheel towards me. Careful, it's going to flip again.
All right, let's come down. I'll keep you going.
Yep, I got it.
Thanks a licking.
It's over there, by the way.
What?
Your seat's up there. Snapped. No, plastic broke.
She busted?
Plastic piece broke. Completely loose right now.
Hold on, what do we got here with this seal?
Keep it careful.
Oh, yeah, she busted right here, didn't
What do
it?
I
You
mean?
lock it.
What?
You lock it so I can
into the trail, and we can suss it a little better. I mean, I got bungee straps back up.
With you?
No, I don't know. Well, I do. I got one big one on the back. That might work. It's a
Oh, I
big
see
one.
what this is. Okay. I might have dislocated this right here.
You alright?
I think.
Take a seat, okay?
What's that?
Take a seat.
I think something happened here.
I should have stopped and
You probably pulled a muscle right there.
I should have happened to pull. Yeah, why don't you pull it out
Yeah.
into the thing over here? Then we can.
Still runs. So this is post Kalkaska Disasta, Kalkaska, whatever it is. Whatever I ended up titling this. Got a chunk out of the top cover, and it's pretty cracked up here and here. And then we have underneath, we have this piece has been compromised all the way around. Okay, so we have that, and then we have this hasp here to keep this top cover down is okay, but this one lost its body part here. So this is going to be replaced. My mirrors. This is a casualty in the mirror, so I'm just going to replace the handle grips because I had to cut them out a little bit here. Put the mirrors in, so I'm going to be taking the mirrors off in total and not replacing. These are not stock, these are aftermarket, so this isn't going to end up coming off here anyway. And I'll put replacement handles on to make that look right. And let's see, these stickers, the stickers are not, they're in the mail. Stickers are in the mail. Throttle, the throttle lever is busted off here. That's in the mail too. That was on back order. And let's see, my ram mount did a 180. That's actually supposed to be flipped around the other way. So I don't exactly understand how that happens. So that'll be turned back around. And let's see, I think that's it. Unless we start taking things apart and we see more. Now this was from a previous issue. This is busted. So if I put it back, it seems to stay okay, but it bounces all around. So I do have a new box I'm going to be putting in here as well. So, and there we go. So new parts are here. We got the big ones. So we have the whole new underside front part plastic. So right now currently this side is the one that's all busted out. So that'll be replaced. The whole thing will be replaced there. We don't have the stickers for the sides. Those will be coming. And we have this front cover for that. The two handle grips. And the front hasp latch. And then finally the box, the storage box that goes in the back. We'll replace that as well, which was not part of the accident, but we'll do that. So, okay, so we replaced this front piece here, which has a crack here. I had to remove the latch for the left side. The right side, the latch is, the body is missing, so this didn't really do me any good, so I left that on. Note the stickers, that'll come into play later here. The stickers on this piece are missing off the new piece, which I have on order. So that's it for the front portion, and then this cover that goes over top of that. We have this piece that broke out here and cracked, as well as here. I removed the rack that was on the front here and put it back on the new one, which you'll see. And then from a previous incident, this back storage box has been replaced. The piece here that is held in place in the back, as well as this piece here, they broke. So this has been replaced as well. So now we're going to take a look at the work that's been done. So this rack here has been moved to this front new storage thing, as well as these bars came with it, but I still had to take them off in order to install this, but that's fine. And as you can see, that's all new. I put the gasket back in there. Everything looks good there. And then I still have to put the latches on here. I have to get some stainless steel hardware for both sides. So it's missing on both sides. And I have the used latch for the left side, the new latch for the right side. So I'll be working on that. I still have to flip this around here. That mounts my my iPad with the RAM mount. New handle grips where there were mirrors on the ends. Kyle helped me put handle grips on. The mirrors opened this up too wide, so I wanted to put that back. Stickers are missing. on the front, both sides. And I believe the last thing is a storage box. Kyle replaced that for me, my son. So that's all new. This has been totally replaced here. So that's the update. Oh, one other thing. We have the throttle that is still broken here. I'm just waiting for this replacement piece to come in, and then we'll be able to fix that. So all in all, we have about an hour's worth of work left to do on this, or less. So that's the update. And we're back in business, practically. Pretty close to being back in business. It's looking good. About 4,000 miles on this thing, and she's got more to go. Quick update. This wasn't 180 degrees, it was only 90 degrees. It was flipped over this way. So that's back in its right position. Temporary throttle level on here for now, lever until the new one comes in. We'll just use this one unless I like this one enough. I'll just keep it on there. That's aluminum instead of plastic. And then the latches are all installed with stainless steel hardware. Those are riveted in, some sort of a weird rivet that Polaris does there. And so that's working fine. And on the back side, you can see got some washers there, some lock nuts. And that's like that on both sides now. So everything's done except for the stickers. But I'm going to post this video now, and the stickers, you'll just see it on the quad at some point in the future. So I want to thank you for stopping by the channel and checking this video out. So if you do like this type of thing, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button and the alarm notification. I do try to post every week on Fridays and keep the content fresh. So with that, until next week, thank you.